Hello everyone, today I would like to take you to know all aspects of Pansol retaining wall steel mold plate. First of all, I would like to know the common specifications of Pansol retaining wall formwork. Generally, the height is from 0.3 meter to 10 meters, the width is from 0.3 meter to 1.5 meter, and the thickness is from 3 millimeters to 6 millimeters, which can meet the needs of different retaining wall projects. Pansol retaining wall steel mold plate has significant advantages, such as high precision splicing, tight splicing joints, and effective prevention of concrete leakage. The material is strong and impact resistant, and can withstand high earth pressure and lateral pressure to ensure the stability of the retaining wall structure. Into the Pansol production scene, the raw materials are selected from high-quality steel after strict inspection. Advanced numerical control cutting equipment accurately under the material, welding robots to ensure that the weld seam is uniform and firm. Every step is strictly abide by the quality standards. In the application scene, it is widely used in highway slope protection, river training, subway sidewall concrete pouring, and other projects. It effectively blocks soil sliding, pours concrete walls, and protects the surrounding environment and infrastructure safety. Thank you for watching. Pansol retaining wall steel mold plate with excellent performance for all kinds of protection projects. Looking forward to working together to create quality projects.